Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Ring Protect Plus for added cameras, full guide step by step clearly. Log into your Ring account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the menu. Select Ring Protect from the list of options. You will see an overview of the current subscription plan for your devices. Tap on Change Plan to explore available subscription options. Scroll down to find Ring Protect Plus and select it. Review the features included with the Ring Protect Plus plan. If you agree with the terms and features, tap on Continue. You may be prompted to enter your payment information if it's not already saved. Fill in your payment details carefully, ensuring accuracy. Once your payment information is entered, review the summary of your subscription. You can now add additional cameras to your Ring Protect Plus plan. To add a new camera, go back to the main menu. Select Devices to view your existing Ring devices. Tap on Set up a device to begin adding a new camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup for your new camera. Once set up, your new camera will be covered under the Ring Protect Plus plan. You can manage your subscription and devices through the Ring app at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.